Hello everybody, welcome to another Not So Daily Vlogmas video. Hope you folks are having a great day. It's a big day for us today.
Yeah, it is.
We're picking our Christmas tree. Oosh.
Are you ready? Do you know what you want?
Well, we know how the procedure happens if you've never watched our Vlogmases before. How we pick our trees is the way that Steph has done it for many, many years. We have to go through them all until the light, if a ray of light comes down and shines over that tree, this is the tree that we have to have.
National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation.
Exactly. So let's show you the trees that we're going to get this year, or what we're going to pick. Alright, so you probably can't see them. Well, you can. They're just here, this shop. This place does the Christmas trees. We bought it last year. Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. I like all of you. Hoo hoo. Here's a nice one, yeah. It's got a good branch there. Good levels of branches for ornaments. Very good. He's a nice little one, isn't he?
This is our tree. It's actually Dave picked out this tree. I'm actually quite impressed with him. It's a little baby one. Tree has now been bought. It is time. We're going to pop into Waitrose and have a little gander.
Fancy Waitrose.
Don't normally go into Waitrose, but it's Christmas, isn't it?
Yeah, it's the best time to go to Waitrose.
Wonder if they've got any festive tea for me. Okay. I'm on the lookout for some festive tea. Normally I go for the M&S ones, but I mean, if Waitrose has got their own, I like to try different ones.
Always.
And decide. Look, there's not much in here. I think everyone's taken them all. Look,
Streusel mince pie with almonds and mixed seeds. Sounds fancy, doesn't it?
Honey and spiced ginger shortbreads. Alright, tea. Now where are you?
Christmas tea.
You must have some Christmas tea. Somewhere. No? Where are you? Show yourself. Look at these. Rose harissa, maple and sesame, caramelised cashews, Christmas caramelised nuts. You don't have any Christmas tea though. Christmas caramelised hibiscus and chocolate mix. And who are you? Smoked truffle and and porcini mushroom, not mixed. That sounds really good. Is that an actual chocolate teapot? I mean, is there anything on the back? Is there a picture on the back? Oh, it sounds broken. Oh, so chocolate's in there.
Very chocolatey.
Let's see, as much use as a chocolate teapot. Love it. Let's look at a wreath. Oh, this one's got reindeer. It's a reindeer wreath. It's quite cute. Oh, gosh, £15. I should really start selling my wreaths. I should make a ton of them and just sell them.
I agree.
I love making my wreath all the time. Alrighty, walking into town now.
Yes.
Nothing in Waitrose, was there?
No, nothing.
Absolutely nothing.
No Christmas tea.
Here is the cat cafe. Oh, hello, cat. Come in to book if we have availability. Oh, cinema club. Yeah, it's a little cat cafe. Oh, look, even the lady's got cat ears.
Yeah,
oh, they're all there.
All asleep.
Oh.
Cute.
Oh, there's another one there just staring at me like, what do you want? We've got a task to do.
We do.
We bought this little Santa soap dispenser thing in Asda in the January sale for like, is it 20p? Something like that?
Yeah, something cheap.
And we don't actually have any liquid soap. And I thought instead of buying a big bottle, I decided to go to our zero waste shop. And it makes sense, really.
There's quite a lot of these in the UK, so
yeah,
really good. Saving the environment.
So my friend actually owns the one that's in Eastbourne. So yeah, I'm going to go in and say hi to her and fill up my Santa.
Yeah.
Get in.
Very
okay, you're going to be careful, Dave.
Just loosen it.
Oh, steady, Dave.
God, it's quiet.
Okay.
Yeah, there we go.
Are we going to do it? Careful, Dave. Oh, it's coming. There we go. Nice.
Super
Concentration,
quiet.
Dave.
Thank you.
No space.
I don't want to miss the hole.
Dave's managed to get exactly £1. Jammy. Well, good afternoon. It's the next day. Obviously, the tree got delivered last night. We were meant to actually put the tree up last night to let the branches fall, but we kind of forgot. So we're doing it now. I've just returned back from the gym. Oh, very, very good, actually. Personal best of hip thrusters, which was 120. We think we could go up a little bit further. Probably tomorrow I'll feel it. Getting the tree base done. Dave is got his saw out.
Ready to take a bit off the trunk so then I can let the water get in, so it's a good thing.
Let's get this tree inside, shall we? It's a little baby tree this time. I can't believe, like, Dave found it. Like, Dave was the first one. He went, I like this one.
It's a nice one.
That just successfully failed there, didn't it? Take two, take two.
I've got a weird thing about wreaths.
There we go. Right, Dave's getting all the Christmas boxes. I've just managed to trim a few of the branches at the bottom and at the back. These are my trimmings just here. And if you are new to our channel, what I do is I make my own wreath with all the cuttings and stuff. I'm very excited to do that. It looks a little bit more tidier now as well. Might pick some more at the back because, I mean, obviously you're not going to really see the back, but there we go.
Pretty much done the tree and Steffi's putting the star up. Oh no.
It's getting tangled. Oh, does he look alright like that?
Yeah, it looks beautiful.
He looks like he's looking down on the world.
That's how the star should be.
Should be shining bright.
Like a diamond.
Yes.
Yeah.
There we go. It was a little bit top heavy on
Fine.
the top there.
That's perfect.
Done! I think the tree is now done.
Tree is done, and our second tree with all our Disney ornaments on.
With the random stuff like Santa riding a manatee.
That's when we did the swimming in the manatees. There's our Disney park ones that are like things like Epcot, and there's other ones. Our Disneyland California Starbucks marks we've never actually been to, but you know.
One day.
One day, everybody. And then you've got loads of other stuff as well. It's really cool. This is one of my favourite ones. Yeah, this is one of my favourite ones. Well, our favourite ones. It was in 2013 when we were at Winter Wonderland, actually. And we got this, and it was we got it, what's it? Customised with Logan, Jessica, and our names. Which is really sweet.
That was quite quick.
I
I
think
think because we had such a small tree, because the lights didn't fit the tree, so we decided to merge them into this one, and it looked pretty alright, to be fair. So yeah, there we go. Happy days.
Awesome job, babe.
Yeah. Okay, excuse the mess. It's still decorations. I thought, seeing as though I've got the cuttings here, I found my wreath ring, and I found my wire. And I've also got the remainder of my decorations as well. So I actually thought, why not make my wreath now? There's one sort of wreath ring kind of done, ready to decorate. I do have a ton more. I have another wreath ring, so I might try and see if I've got enough for another wreath. I'm not sure, but we'll try and make it work. But this is the last one, so see how we get on. Just about enough. All done. Trying the last little bit. Look, all done. Right, let's get decorating. So that's my first one. I think I'm going to put this one by the, I'm going to put this one on the fireplace. And then this is my front door one. How amazing. I mean, it kind of worked out well having this big bushy bit at the bottom. And I thought this is going to be perfect. So I need to find some fancy ribbon and we shall put them up. I'm very happy. I'm quite liking the simplicity of this one. I'm loving it. Literally just clearing up all the old, all the Christmas boxes at the moment. And I just found a ton of candles. So we've got vanilla cream. We've got peppermint bark. Oh, that's my tea. That's my tea in the microwave. We've got, oh, peppermint stick. And what's this one? I think it's pear. Yeah, spiced pear. These were all from TK Maxx last year. Yeah, I think I've used quite a few of these actually. Yeah, these two I've actually, oh my god, the smell. Smells amazing. So yeah, I don't need to go back to TK Maxx. I've got candles for this season. Woohoo, get in. So the other wreath is on my front door and the other one is here. Hey, it's another day. We are in Little Chelsea Market. We're with our friends Joe and Jake, wherever you are. Oh, you're there. Hello. And yeah, we're experiencing the Little Chelsea Christmas market. That wasn't here last year and we were kind of gutted, but it's here this year. Yeah. And it's good fun. We're now hungry.
We're going to get some food.
Yeah. Beans is open as well. That's another great place.
What the soap, son? Are you going to run in? Go on. No! It's on the lens. There's a reason why Tim hates bubbles. He gets on the lens.
No.
What did you do? Really? The whole thing?
Yeah. Oh my god, dude.
You thought Disneyland Paris was full of snow. Eastbourne has more soap suds than that.
They're on it.
They're on it.
Get that. We can give you a winter wonderland, alright? There you go. It's Mr. and Mrs. Mouse.
Mr. and Mrs. Mouse is in now. Full of soap suds.
Hi, Lily.
Hi.
Oh. Hi, everyone. Look who I bumped into. It's Elsa and Anna.
Sister Anna. Hi, everybody. Have a lovely Christmas, everyone.
Stephie's enjoying her mulled wine. Sorry. Enjoying it?
Yeah.
We just got some cakes here at the Incredible Cake Company. I got the mint choc chip and Stephie got a cupcake and our friend got a brownie. It's so good. Best place in Eastbourne for cakes. If you ever come to Eastbourne, come to the Incredible Cake Company. It's so good. What are you trying?
This is charcoal cheese.
Not charcoal.
Charcoal cheese, cheers.
Cha-ching. Is it cheesy? Is it charcoaly? Charcoal cheese?
That's so bizarre.
That's interesting. Charcoal cheese.
It's like really creamy, but yeah.
Interesting.
Thank you. Oh, we've got the heroes over here. Oh. Heroes. We've got the celebrations over there and heroes at the reindeer. We got the puzzle. We're going to do a puzzle for Christmas. I'm really hoping that all the pieces are in there.
I just said before, I said, bet the middle one's missing when we get it. Oh!
Wheels keep on turning. Oh, baby, burning. Rolling, rolling, rolling on a minute.
Give me 2 seconds to get the bag.
I got some popcorn.
You get another one?
Oh, you want another one?
No, joking. So, we're back home, back from the Little Chelsea Christmas market malarkey. We're back and we've let out the buns. Ooh. There's a Jessica there. Logan's around, but he's just hanging by the cage. Hold on a sec. Logan that you can't see because of autofocus. There he is. There he is. Oh, he just had a bink. Had a jump. There he is. Logan's lying down, done a proper flop. Come on, camera. There we go. Logan's just lying down with a proper flop, and for some reason this camera cannot focus on Logan at all. Hey, buddy. Hey, me. Hiya. Oh, his eyes are closed. He's all going to sleep now. But yeah, they're the rabbits, just chilling. Jessica's just kind of being a bit mischievous. I'll move this out of the way. I thought I'd show you the rabbits because you've not seen the rabbits in a while. Here she comes. Here, look, it comes.